Hey everyone, I want to show you my sharp steam mop that I got recently and that I am in love with. I tell you right now, in love with the thing. It does come with a cord. It has a pretty long cord, but it definitely comes with a cord. It's not cordless, but it still works really, really nice. I want to show you the back because it's very, very simple to use. You see the back has this water container right here, and you can actually put the water right in the hole right there, or you can actually take this off and put it and fill it up with water. It supposedly takes distilled water if you wanna use it. I want to show you the pads also. These pads are, see, these are the pads on it. I have washed these things several times. I use it in the bathroom. I use it because I use it for sanitary reasons, particularly in the bathroom. I like to make sure everything is really clean in there. And what I do really, really love about this is that it dries quickly. So, I have LVP floors everywhere, and it is a bit of a pain in the neck, but you want to keep them clean. So right now it's flashing. Let me press that. And the handle here is where you get the steam. You press that, and the steam will come right out. Steam comes right out with that. There she goes. There goes the steam. And once you get the steam out and you keep going, it cleans up pretty well. It cleans up almost anything that's on the floor. So it really, really does a very, very good job with no detergent in it, and it definitely just has hot steam coming out. I'm in love with this, and if you're looking for this kind of thing, you can always find it down below, because they're wonderful. They really are. I like that my floor definitely gets dry fast, and I like to use it particularly in the bathroom and make sure that floor is sanitized, and every other floor. But really, I like it in the bathroom. It gets sanitized, and I do not have to wait long for it to get dry, which is wonderful. So if you're in the market for a steam mop, you may be looking for this thing. This thing is really great.